everyone, my name is Hatman, and for today's video we're going to talk about the map called Combine. The reason we are talking about this map specific is because that lately it seems like it's the only map I'm playing when I'm playing this game. Every time I join a deathmatch, domination, free for all, whatever I'm joining, it's like people already have voted for it. I'm just joining a game in progress in Combine, or the lobby I'm joining, I see like 5 that want to play Combine, and it's just going to be Combine every time. It's like, do you guys even know there's other methods Combine? I mean, come on guys, it can be fun to play all the time. I actually tried to stay in one server to see how many times I actually could play Combine in a row, and what did I get to? I think it was 7 times in a row I played Combine, and that is just too much. I mean, is it a curse? If you guys remember first time Nuketown came out, it was like always Nuketown, because what the fuck? If you guys, maybe you guys can remember from one of the older COD games that they actually, yeah, sorry about that shitty aim there, really horrible, but yeah. If you guys remember from Black Ops 1 maybe, when we first got Nuketown, we actually couldn't select the same map over 2 times. Then you have to choose another map, and that is something I really miss in this game. Especially after Combine is a really good map, it's not about that, but it's just getting really annoying to play because it feels like the only thing you're playing. And I enjoy every map in this game, and I want to try out the other maps too. I mean, the game has been out for what, a month now, and 70% of the time I've been playing Combine because everybody loves Combine. It's the new Nuketown. It's a new curse. So what do you guys think about Combine? Do you enjoy it? Why do you enjoy it so much? Are you one of the guys that's always playing it? And if you are, why? I mean, it's a really good map. It's not that, but I have it like I want to explore the other maps too. Feel the power, the rush in other maps instead of just Combine. And if you guys know it, you guys probably know it, but the VMP, the Kuda, and the I can't remember the Whisper. Yeah, that was the name. This is the only thing that most people are using in this map. Of course, I'm using Kuda too because you can really run around with it. You can, but it's really hard. But we really have to take a submachine gun because the fire rate is insane. Everybody else using it, and it's way too overpowered in my opinion, of course. But that is, yeah. What did I do there? How could I do that? That is so horrible. Sorry. But yeah, do you guys maybe think that it's time for us to get the Black Ops 1 restriction to Black Ops 3? Because personally I don't want to play Combine 24/7. I really hated Nuketown because we played that 24/7. Of course that is those two are really good maps and they're really fun. But after you play them like 5 times in a row and it's like the only map you're playing, the game is just simply dying about that. We can't play that all the time. We're going to get bored with it. We don't really want it. We're going to be angry and smash on controllers and stuff like that. I mean, I personally think it would be the best idea if Treyarch implanted that, so we are not going to get to that point. Because right now, if they're continuing like that with the only Combine, everybody's just going to stop playing, and we don't really want that. We want to keep up living with the game. We want to explore the new DLCs. We want to do the zombies. We want to do the multiplayer. We want to have a great time playing it, and we can't do that if it's only Combine 24/7. Personally, me and my friends, we don't really want to play Combine because of that, and actually it's really hard for us to find a server where we are not playing Combine all the time. Of course we're playing it sometimes, we hang a blast with it, but 24/7 I can't deal with that anymore. To talk about something really different, I would like for you guys to know that I actually only need 3 more gold weapons to get the diamond for the assault rifles. After that I'm probably going to start with the submachine guns, and yeah, that is pretty much everything I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you also have some really good comments about the things I've been talking about, the subject in this video, and I'm going to enjoy reading those comments. So like and subscribe and have a blast. Good day, peace out.